Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will solve the area of a circle with a given radius in TypeScript programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters, and visitors in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here a problem. Write a program to solve the area of the circle if the given radius is 5 and display the results on the screen. So basically guys, I'm using Visual Code in creating this program. So it's just like an IDE, no? So we have here a series of comments, and then we have here a variable radius, var radius, and then I assign a value of 5. Let area matpy. It is a built-in function in JavaScript, in TypeScript also. Multiply radius by times radius. Let round underscore result, another variable, mat round area multiply by 100 divided by 1000, so that we can have 2 decimal places. Console log, we will have new line here. The title of our program, area of the circle in TypeScript. The given radius, it will display 5. The area of the circle, round underscore result, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. Okay, to execute the program, we have to go here in terminal window in our Visual Code. So here, we are already here in the folder. Just issue a command tsc TypeScript compiler space area underscore circle dot ts. It will compile our program and then it will generate the corresponding JavaScript code, just like this one on the screen. To execute, we issue a command node area underscore circle dot js. Now our program is running. Area of the circle in TypeScript, the given radius is 5, the area of the circles is 78.54, end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video, area of the circle in JavaScript programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.